when he suddenly pulls away, it hits different. You check your phone, you overthink, you wait. But here's the truth. Chasing him pushes him further. What you do in the next few days matters more. Today, you'll learn the exact psychology to flip the script and make him wonder why you're suddenly out of reach. First, you need to understand the pull-away phase. It is never about you losing your value. It is about his nervous system hitting overload. Pay attention to this. Silence is his safety zone. When emotions get too intense, he retreats to reset. If you panic and flood his inbox, you break that zone. You become a source of pressure, not peace. And pressure makes a man run faster. So, you stop texting. You stop calling. You step back. Not to punish him, but to protect your energy. Think of it like a stretched rubber band. Pull too hard, it snaps. Let it rest, it returns. This is where it gets interesting. You are creating space for his natural pull to return. Second, you must trigger his curiosity loop. Men are wired to solve puzzles, not read manuals. When you become predictable, his brain sleeps. But when your attention disappears, it wakes up. He starts scanning for clues. What changed? Why the quiet? This is the exact moment his focus shifts. Instead of thinking about space, he thinks about you. Imagine you both had a weekend planned. He says he needs room. You simply say, "Take care. I'll see you when things settle." Then you actually disappear. No stories, no hints. Watch how fast his mind starts racing. But here's the hard part most skip. Third, you redirect all that anxious energy inward. Anxiety wants you to fix him. Growth tells you to build yourself. When you chase, you give away your power. When you create, you become magnetic. Update your routine. Hit the gym. Call an old friend. Do not do it for show. Do it for a real reset. The psychology here is simple. People are naturally drawn to forward momentum. He notices when your life stops waiting on his reply. He feels the shift, even from a distance. Pay attention now. This changes everything. Picture this. He finally checks your socials. He expects sadness. He finds you thriving. That image rewires his doubt into genuine desire. He starts questioning why he stepped back. Fourth, master the art of warm detachment. Cold makes him defensive. Warm keeps him hooked. If he reaches out, reply with calm, not urgency. Match his effort, never double it. This is emotional discipline. It feels unnatural at first, but discipline is what builds lasting attraction. You are showing him you can handle distance. That signals maturity. That signals security. Men crave women who do not break when tested. Think about a simple text check-in. He says, "Hey, been busy." You say, "Hope it's going well." Then you leave it alone. No follow-up. He reads it twice. He wonders what you're up to. This is where it gets powerful. You control the rhythm, not the other way around. Fifth, reactivate his investment instinct. Value is proven by what he gives up to keep you. When you make him comfortable, he invests 0. When you set soft boundaries, he steps up. Ask for small things. Give him chances to choose you, not demands. gentle invitations. Let him plan. Let him reach out first. Every time he puts in effort, his brain justifies it. He starts thinking, I must really care about her. That is cognitive dissonance working in your favor. Notice how it plays out in real life. He finally suggests a low-pressure coffee meet. You accept, but keep it short. Leave him wanting more. But wait, there is one trap to avoid. Sixth, never confuse absence with indifference. Pulling back is a strategy. Coldness is a wall. You still show up as warm, just not available on demand. Protect your dignity. Keep your standards clear. If he plays games after testing your silence, you walk. The right man will respect the space. The wrong man will disappear, and that saves you time. Think about your own worth for a second. You are not a backup plan. You are the main event. When you act like it, he finally sees it. He stops asking for crumbs. He starts bringing the plate. This shift takes patience. It feels heavy in the middle. But trust the process. The pendulum always swings back. Now, let's lock this in with a quick recap. You understand his reset mode. You do not panic. You trigger curiosity by going quiet. You redirect your focus to your own life. Pay close attention here. Timing is everything. You reply with calm warmth. You never chase. You invite effort instead of forcing it. And you keep your standards non-negotiable. These are not tricks. They are psychological anchors. They force him to feel what he almost lost. That feeling creates urgency. Urgency turns into action. Action turns into him coming back stronger. Give it 14 days of consistent practice. Do not check in early out of fear. Fear makes you break your own rules. Discipline builds respect. Watch how his messages change tone. Short becomes long. Delayed becomes instant. He starts asking questions. He starts planning ahead. That is the begging phase in slow motion. It does not look desperate. It looks invested. You will know it is real when he shows up consistently, not just with words, with time. This is where it gets beautiful. You stop needing him to choose you because you already chose yourself. That inner peace, that is your ultimate magnet. Men are drawn to what they cannot control, and they protect what they almost lost. So let the silence do the heavy lifting. Build your world a little bigger. Leave the door open, but never leave your life waiting. If you follow this exactly, you will notice a shift. He will wonder how you became so grounded. He will miss the version of him that chased you, and he will return that version to win you back. You hold the frame. You set the pace. Relationships thrive on balance, not panic. Remember that next time your phone goes quiet. Breathe. Reset. Trust the pull. You are enough without his validation. And when he sees that, everything changes. This works because it aligns with human nature. We protect what we value. We chase what retreats. We commit to what requires effort. Give him the chance to earn it back. Do not hand it over for free. Your energy is rare. Treat it that way. But here's the final piece most ignore. You must detach from the outcome completely. If he never returns, you still win. Because you kept your dignity. You kept your peace. That is how you never settle again. The right person meets you at your standard. The wrong one falls below it. Either way, you stay unshaken. That is true power. Quiet, certain, real. So step into your value today. Stop checking his last scene. Start building your next chapter. He will either step up or fade out. Both answers give you freedom. Pay attention to how you feel right now. That calm in your chest? Keep that. Let it guide your next move. Silence is not empty. It is loud with intention. You are rewriting the dynamic, one day at a time. No more guessing, no more begging, just steady growth, just clear boundaries. The right love does not make you anxious. It meets you in the middle. You deserve someone who runs toward you, not someone you have to drag back. This is your wake-up call. Close the distance to him. Open it to yourself. Watch what comes back to you. It will surprise you, every single time. But wait, if you want to master this faster, you need to understand your own attachment style. It is the hidden code behind your panic. I broke it down in the last video. Watch it right after this one. And drop a comment with, "I'm stepping back." Let's lock in that energy together. You are stronger than your doubts. You are worthy of pursued love. Stay consistent. Stay unbothered. He will come back asking for your time. Or someone better will step into the space. Either way, you win. Thank you for watching. Take a breath. Trust your path. I'll see you in the next one. Remember, you are the prize. Act like it. Live like it. The rest will follow. Keep your phone down tonight. Let the quiet do the work for you. Tomorrow will feel lighter. You will stop reading between lines. You will start writing your own story. That is the real shift. Not getting him back. Getting yourself back. And when you return to your power, he cannot look away. Subscribe for more honest psychology. Turn on notifications so you never miss a shift. You deserve peace. You deserve pursuit. See you in the next video.